Meaning of farmhouse.
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 Farmhouse. A farmhouse is a type of dwelling typically found in rural areas that serves as a residence for farming families. This type of house usually has a large kitchen and multiple bedrooms to accommodate the needs of a large family. Often, the farmhouse will have a front porch or wraparound veranda where family members can relax and enjoy fresh air and scenic views. Surrounding the farmhouse, there is usually a farmyard, barns, and other agricultural structures necessary for the operation of a farm.